Hey, welcome back to Bubba's Home Tips. Hey, I'm talking today about screw pops and drywall screws. This is a coarse threaded drywall screw. Alright. Now a fine threaded drywall screw, I commonly see people pulling these off the shelf at the stores, and I wonder if they realize a fine threaded drywall screw is not intended for lumber. It is intended for steel studs. If you use them, especially on newer homes, what you'll have, newer lumber I should say, what you will end up with is after the lumber dries in about a year, those fine threaded screws, most of them will spit back out and look like a popped nail or a popped screw. Okay, that right there is a result of probably being over glued. This is a wall in a manufactured house. They glue these really heavy. This drywall here is only about 1.5 years old, 2 years tops, and the screws are quite commonly popping. That is due to over glue. Too much glue can also cause you a problem. If you do a big 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch bead of glue, it's going to shrink, but it's going to take some time to shrink. And as it does, it will suck the drywall down to the stud. Just a fraction, enough to make it look like the screw popped, when actually the screw didn't pop, the drywall moved. But make sure you get the right screw when you get to the lumber yard to buy your drywall. And you know, with nails and fasteners, you want the screws to be twice the thickness of your material. So with 1/2 inch drywall, you want 1.25 inch screw. Twice the thickness would make 1 inch, and half again, 1.25 inch. If you're hanging 5/8 up on your ceilings, you should be using a longer screw than 1.25 inch. It should be twice the thickness and half again, so you should jump to the 1 5/8 inch screw. So the big question today, am I using the right screw? Hey, don't get screwed. Use the right screw. And keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. Bubba is giving home tips. Talk to you soon, man.